about what is a gas turbine. What is the basic definition of the gas turbine? Actually, the gas turbine is a heat engine. Okay? This is an engine which is going to change the heat to the work.
Yes.
And we use the same engine in the cars, actually. We use the reciprocating engines, but the main concept or the main function is the same. We are going to burn some fuel to produce some heat, some work, okay? Chemical energy by burning is going to be changed to the heat, and then we are going to use some special type of facilities to change this heat to the work. When we are going to talk about gas turbines, always effectivity is very important. It means that we should know effectivity is shown by eta, and we should know how much is the output energy in comparison to the input energy. Okay? The input energy is actually the chemical energy provided by the burning, or it is actually the heat. And the output energy can be in different ways. If we use a generator in the gas turbine, we are going to change the work to the electricity. So the amount of electricity in comparison to the amount of heat which is used, it can be the effectivity. And normally when we are going to talk about gas turbines, about 25 till 45% of the effectivity is desired. It means that at the first step, we are going to consider about 55 or 75 of waste of energy. Okay? We know that the amount of energy which is going to be used in the gas turbine is going to be wasted. We are going to talk about of different types of methods that we are able to increase the effectivity of the gas turbine. Okay? The first thing is actually to use better types of the gas turbines. And when we are going to talk about better types of gas turbines, it means that there is some special type of gas turbine which are able to produce higher amount of work because they can tolerate higher temperatures. We will talk about it, okay? But when we are going to talk about gas turbine, always keep it in mind that 25 to 45% of effectivity is our issue. And we can use the gas turbine for two different things. Sometimes we use it for propulsion, and sometimes we use it for another thrust issue. Propulsion is actually used in the aircrafts, okay? Airplane, okay? Again, the gas turbine is going to be used to produce propulsion. And we will talk about it, different types of the gas turbines, that what are the benefits of them in comparison to the industrial gas turbines. But in industry, when we are going to use a gas turbine, you need a rotational type of work. It can be used for rotation of a compressor or a generator. We are using it for generator. And by turning of a core in the magnetic field around it, you are able to produce electricity. Okay? We don't want to focus on the generator, just the gas turbine. But keep it in mind that sometimes it can be used for propulsion.